Hi everyone, today I'll show you this very interesting product right here. It's a Dyson Airwrap, the ID version, new version. So I'm going to show you what it looks like being unboxed. So let's get on to it. So yeah, let's go. Adjust the camera a little bit. Right, amazing. It's an Airwrap ID. All right. Amazing. Look at this packaging. So interesting. Alright, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. So I'm not quite sure how to open it. Okay. I think it's glued here, so it's sealed in a secure manner. So the way when you open it, then it's unsealed. Okay, here you can open here and it gets unsealed, and it's supposed to tear it up. Oh, okay, it's off now. Wide angle view. Wow, interesting. Alright, so you get this very interesting case. Okay, material feels really, I'm not sure how to describe it. It's like paper, but it's not paper, it's smooth. And down here it feels like cloth. Okay, interesting. So I think it's open. You can see all the parts. I'll show you, give you a close up of what it looks like. Right, so okay, this brush, interesting. Set aside. Okay, interesting. You learn how to use this. Okay. Okay. I need to remember how to put this back. Okay, I'm gonna put it back now because I'm scared that I might forget how to put it back. Although I can still refer to the video later on, of course, but you know. Oh, there's another brush. Interesting. So I'm guessing that this determines the direction of the hot air. Okay. Okay. Alright. So this is the unit itself. Oh no, my toy. Is that inevitable? Okay, so this is what it looks like. The unit. Very fancy, catchy color. Right. Interesting. Dyson. I think this is my first actual Dyson product. Interesting. The cord. Okay, I'm guessing this is like a brief manual of sorts. Silica gel, okay. The plug itself, UK pin, right? Scan for online support, okay. Interesting. Right. So there's a box here. So I'm guessing like the round colors are inside, but I'll verify later. So what are the nozzles? Okay. How does it fit in? I wonder. Let's try. Okay. Oops. Okay. I'm not sure if I did the right thing. Okay. This is how to unlock. Okay. It scared me for a second there. Okay. Alright. Put it one side. Okay. What's this? Nothing. Okay. So these are the colors. So one of this, okay, can adjust the direction of the hot air. The other one, this is a large diameter color, so different. Interesting. It'll be interesting to try, like, you know, the difference in effect between these two. But alright. So, you know, this is an overview of the what comes in the box. Basically, it's, you know, it is like a hairdryer which does curling. So, a really fancy hairdryer. Alright, so let me see if there's a large user manual for me to look through, but I have this in hand, so let's go through it first. Okay. Interesting. Right, so there you go. I don't see any other user manual or what with this, so I'm guessing like the manual will be online when you actually scan. I'm guessing like, you know, if you scan this QR code then you're gonna get some sort of manual, but okay. Alright, so I found the user manual is beneath the cover, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. Yeah, so we get this, which is my Dyson. It's a code for you to scan and, you know, download the Dyson app to use the color width. I saw online that, yeah, it has this kind of timer system where you can use a timer to actually gauge how well done is your hair. So yeah, alright, getting onto it. Alright, okay, good, interesting, nice model. Well, it is by solving problems that we earn an income anyway, so good. So this is an overview of the user manual. I'm gonna scan through it slowly, so you can pause at any second to, you know, look at the detail you want to look at, right? All right. barrel, curl and wave. Alright. Smoothing brush. No, there's more of the shapes and sizes that can be bought separately. Interesting. Alright. There you go. So there you go, there goes the unboxing video for this device. Well, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. I just want to let you know that Jesus, who was risen from the dead, the resurrected Christ, loves you all and He heals. He can heal all disease and sickness, and He bore your griefs and all your sorrows by the stripes that He bore on His body. Thank you so much everyone. Bye. God bless. See you.